Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My current holy grail facial moisturizer is this Centella Soothing Cream. I was at Costco one day, randomly saw this on sale, decided to pick it up, and it quickly became my favorite. The other day, we were also at Costco, randomly saw this one on sale, wanted to do a quick comparison between this on one side and the Centella on the other, see which one I like better. But before that, let's go exercise and shower. Okay, got the exercise, shower, wash with facial gentle cleanser done. I think the exercise is supposed to help with blood flow, so when we apply the products, it will be absorbed a little easier. I cannot see anything, so hopefully this looks pretty good on camera. The Centella has this brownish tan color and doesn't have like a very clear smell. It's lightly scented, a little sweet maybe, very mild. This one, same thing, pretty mild scented, not anything too, no chemical smells to it. This one's like a light blue. I'm gonna go over here and we're do a little bit more. Both of them so far smells really good. All right, let's try it out. The initial feel is a little more watery on the Torriden. This one's a little thicker, a little stickier maybe. The smell, very similar. This one's maybe a little earthier. I don't know if that makes any sense. So far, I think they're pretty similar. The Torriden is supposed to have more hyaluronic acid, so more moisture barrier protection. I'm gonna wait and see what it feels like tomorrow morning. Apply both of these again. The Centella is supposed to have a more calming, smooth, soothing effect for anyone that is acne prone like myself. Gonna let this dry and see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning. They both felt equally moisturizing when I was washing my face this morning. Not too oily. We're obviously out of town. I don't have my normal at-home setup. The lighting is so much better now that the sunlight is coming in compared to last night. So far, I liked both of these equally, so if they were the same price, it would be a hard decision. I think I like the Torriden a little bit more just because it feels more lighter and a gel-like consistency to apply. I don't know how I feel about this container because this is easier to travel with, but during the unboxing for the Torriden, it did come with these little travel sizes. So that will fix the travel container problem. But in terms of price, if they were the exact same price, I would probably go with the Torriden just because it feels a little bit nicer. But they are both really nice and I would consider both of them my holy grail moisturizers now. And moving forward, I would probably get whichever one is less expensive. Video 322 done.